Hi everyone. Welcome back to Tech It Simple. I'm back with another tutorial video on how you can easily log in and get access to your car insurance account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you will never miss another update from us. Open up a web browser to begin typing www.insure.co. UK in the search box and press enter. You'll end up in the main official web page of Insurance, which looks like this. Insurance is an independently operated New Zealand-based joint venture between the New Zealand Automobile Association and Suncorp Group. The company offers home contents, car insurance and life insurance through its subsidiary Alife. If you'd like to log into your car insurance account, click on existing customers link at the top right-hand corner. Select what would you like to do from the options displayed on the screen. Choose any one option of your choice and give it a click. Since I've clicked the second option that says View Personal Documents, click on the Sign In button appearing right beneath it in the login text box that appears on the next page. Go ahead and enter your email address. Enter the email address text box. In case you don't remember your email address, click on Forgotten Your Email Address link beneath and follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for your email. After you're done typing in your credential, head over to the next field. Now carefully typing your password correct as well. In case you don't remember your password, you can reset to a new password by clicking on Forgotten Your Password link beneath the password box. Finally, after you're done typing in your credentials, you have an option to make your particular device remember your details so that next time you won't have to type them in again and again while logging in with your car insurance account. You can check this Remember My Details box. But if you're using a public device or a shared computer, make sure to leave it unchecked for your security. After you're done entering your credentials and you're ready to log in, click the Login button in yellow and you'll be able to get access to your car insurance account right away. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. As soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.